Hey everyone, I'm out fishing a brand new lake that I've never fished before. I've had buddies fish this lake and had pretty good success on big panfish and walleyes and big northerns and muskies in here too. So we'll give it a shot. I'll show you kind of the structure I'm fishing. But right now I'm just going to try to drill some holes, get some fish, and we'll get into that stuff later. Stay tuned. This is what I'm fishing today. There's a couple islands, and if you guys know, you guys could probably figure this out looking at a map. There's an island here and here, and where I am is right kind of on the edge here. 2 feet there, it comes up really shallow, and then there's kind of this funnel where it's super shallow here, and this channel in the middle. So I'm right on the edge of this break. So I might keep drilling and kind of get right at the bottom of that and just drill along here and see what we can, we'll see what we can get. All right, we're in about 18 feet of water. I'm getting some marks down there. Let's see if we can entice them. I might drill another hole and throw a minnow down. We'll see. Right now, though, we're marking fish, so I'm just gonna focus on this hole for now. Got a little nibble. There we go. Feels decent. He's going on the ice. So the ice conditions here, we got under a bunch of snow with a layer of slush and then the ice. So a lot of these trucks and cars don't want to come over where I am where it's super slushy. So I kind of got that working to my advantage. I've walked all my gear out here, so I'm not dealing with, I don't have to worry about the slush as much. So kind of use that to your advantage. This guy's down there. Come on, bite. Oh, just barely nipped it. Come on, come back. Ooh, crappie. We'll measure them. Usually anything 8 to 12 inches I like to keep, and this guy is close. $10-incher, he's going on the ice. All right, today I'm using a, I don't know if you guys can see that, a forage minnow, orange and yellow. I think it's a glow one, just tipped with a couple spikes on the bottom. Seems to be doing the trick today. Caught all these bluegills and that crappie all on the same lure. And I literally just got here. It's almost 8 o'clock and I've been here for maybe 15 minutes and already got 4 keepers. Oh, barely nipped it. May have stolen my bait too. Might have to throw a few more spikes on soon. I drilled a couple other holes. I might hop around. This hole seems to kind of die off. We'll hop around. So as you can see, everyone with their cars are all out there. I think a truck got stuck here or something, so no one's really taking their car into this area because of all this slush, but I don't got a car, so I don't got to worry about it. Use it to your advantage. Let's wear my mittens. Let's catch some more fish. $16 feet here. Let's see if there's a fish. I'm gonna try that other hole. $9 feet. But it looks like there might be something down there. We'll go drill a few more holes and see what's up. Does not feel big. Just another dink. That's a better fish. Oh, that's a nice one. That is a nice gill. Look at that, he choked it too. Here, buddy. He's going on the ice. All right. Well, now we know there's some big ones down there mixed in. Let's get a limit. Oh, look at this guy shoot up. He's stunned. Go off, buddy. There he goes. Let's get back down there. Oh, this guy's coming up fast. Feels like a better one. Oh, there we go. That is a nice bluegill. Look at that. Look how fat he is. Look at that belly. Let's get a measurement on ya. Just under 8. Might be a female. Wonder if they took my bait. That might explain why they're not biting anymore. Bum, bum, bum. Look at all those. This bait shop I went to loaded me up. Got some purple, some orange in there. Literally a rainbow of maggots. Whoops. Let me throw those guys in my bait puck. I mean, I thought about throwing on a small little tungsten jig, but the reason I'm using a spoon here is to kind of filter out some of those smaller fish. I know there's big ones in here, so I kind of want to target the larger ones, where if I use a small jig, yeah, I'll catch more fish, but I'll also be catching a lot of those smaller guys that I don't want, you know, 3-4 inch bluegills. So I'm just using a bigger spoon here just to try to weed out a lot of those smaller fish. Doop doop doop. Doop 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 doop. I'm gonna move over there. It looks like a good funnel. That might push a lot of fish through. I really don't know, but there's only one way to find out before we get too crazy here. So we're gonna move. I keep changing my mind on what I want to do. So off we go. wondering if there's less slush over here. Oh, somebody got stuck here, that's for sure. We can do. Look at all those fish. And not a single one of them wants to bite. Just kidding. Feels half decent. And just a tad small. That's a nice bluegill. Look at that. Yeah, let's throw him on the ice there. Yeah, he hammered that one. There we go, the first. Ooh. Feels decent. The first fish in a while. Oh, that's a keeper. Oh. There we go. I was on a dry spout for a while, but that guy's just big enough. He's going in the bucket. All right, we're back on the board. All right, guys, I'm in the new spot. Kind of a community hole here. There's a lot more people, but the contour lines looked a lot more interesting. There's a lot of structure here, and it looked like it'd hold fish, so I'm giving it a go. So we'll see. Sun's come out, we got blue skies, it's warming up. It's turned out to be a real nice day. Nice perch, nice perch. Alright guys, I'm going to call it for today. The bite got slow and kind of running out of time. The Vikings play in a couple hours and I got to drive back home. But overall, pretty good. We got a nice bucket of fish. I think I kept about 8 bluegills, 1 crappie, and 1 perch. So overall, pretty solid day. Brand new lake, my first time fishing it, so I'll definitely be coming back here. All the average of all the bluegills was pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with it. My buddy said too, every time he comes here, the bite's usually about what I experienced today. So yeah, thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. See you next time.